Meaning of festive.
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 Festive. Festive refers to something that is related to or suitable for a celebration or festival. It suggests a joyful and lively atmosphere, often including decorations, music, food, and other festive elements. When something is described as festive, it typically has an uplifting and cheerful quality that encourages people to enjoy and participate in the festivities. Examples of festive occasions include holidays such as Christmas and Hanukkah, cultural celebrations like Mardi Gras and Diwali, and social events like weddings and parties. Overall, festive conveys a sense of happiness, excitement, and togetherness.